Alright, we have here a Defender 2026 model, and it has a engine oil leak coming from the CVVL, and we're gonna replace the gasket, so let's get it started. Alright, finally removed this CVVL, but let me remind you guys, if you ever work with this kind of car and you remove the CVVL, make sure to push back the brakes of this CVVL assembly with the use of a special tool before you put it back into the engine. Alright? Okay, so the reason why we push back the brakes, it is called resetting the brakes or the solenoid or the pistons of the CVVL. We just have to make sure that we push it back, because if you didn't do this, you might gonna hit the piston of the engine. So resetting of these CVVL valves is necessary to avoid severe damage in your engine, especially in the piston. So that's why you have to do resetting before installing or putting it back into the engine. So yeah, that's why we have to do this resetting of the CVVL. Alright, so the engine is good, ready to start, and what I'm going to do is I will start the engine, and after that, while the engine is running, we're gonna inspect if there's any oil leak coming from that CVVL. So I hope we fix that, because yeah, it's not an easy job. So yeah, after this, if everything is good, we're gonna put back things together and we'll do the test drive. So yeah, just want to make sure that before we put back the accessories in the engine bay, we fix the oil leak. So let's start inspecting. Alright, so everything is good, no oil leak anymore, and I'm gonna put back things together, the accessories in the engine bay, and we'll do the test drive, and it's all done. I hope you enjoy this, guys. Please do subscribe. Thank you.